Human presence has taken a significant toll on the natural flora and fauna of unique ecosystems. Development and expansion has taken priority over environmental preservation. Plant populations have been drastically reduced and segregated from each other, which threatens the biodiversity and overall health of their communities. Operation Restoration aims to use modern technology to rehabilitate and restore the damage caused by humans. First, High Tech High students will fly unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, to take aerial photos of native plant ecologies, which will be used to assess the health and biodiversity of plant populations. We then plan to use the information from these assessments to specifically generate seed pellets to match the genetic and species variety of the area marked for restoration. These pellets will then be dispensed using UAVs over plant areas to restore plant populations to equilibrium. This method will reintroduce native plant species to the area where they belong. It will turn back time and restore balance to our community's ecosystem.